Hello class. Today we will be seeing how to use Google Apps in mobile phone. We are about to learn for Google Classroom today. So as you can see, this is the symbol of Google Classroom. Once you have opened, it will appear in such a way. Now you all can see, observe, these are the classes which I have joined or which I have created. But for you as a student, you need to join the class which your class teachers or any other subject teachers will inform you. So for that you have to click on right hand side top corner plus button and click on join class. Over here in class code option, you can see you have to fill the class code given by your teacher. Once you have filled with it, you will be able to join the class. Now I'll show you one of the class which I have joined. Is this. Over here you can see this page is known as the stream page, where you will be having the announcements. Whatever announcements have been done, you can see over here. Okay, the next is classroom. In classroom over here you can see whatever activities you have to perform, and in people you will be seeing which teacher is taking this class. Okay, so majorly your work will be in this to perform the activities. For example, the topic name over here is yoga and the first activity is Surya Namaskar. So we'll be clicking on it and we'll be having whatever attachment has been provided to us. In this case over here there is the Surya Namaskar video. So we'll be clicking on the video and it will be opening in Google Drive. So let it get rolled. Now see. This is the Surya Namaskar activity which has been performed. So this way you have to watch the activity and then you have to perform the activity at your home. Once you have done with the performance, while performing you have to record it as you need to send it back. Now see on the left hand side top corner of the screen there is a back button which you will click and you will come back to the original topic. Now if you want to say that you have done, you can click on the add private comments and add your comment over here. I have performed the Surya Namaskar activity and send it. Once you have sent and marked it as done, it will be done. Okay, once you have submitted, click on the top arrow so that it is minimized. Now click on the back arrow to go back to the same yoga content. So next activity, how many asanas were involved in Surya Namaskar? As if you are aware about the number of asanas, it is fine. There are altogether 12 steps. So you will write over here 12 different steps, each each is asana together forms Surya Namaskar. And turn in. You have to click on turn in. This turn in is your answer submitted. As you can see, your answer has been submitted. But if you do not know the answer, then you need to ask for help over here in the add private comment section. Over here, if you have any trouble in performing or if you don't know the answer, you can ask for help over here with your teachers. Okay, so this way you can add up. I have difficulty to perform or understand the asana. Please help in this. Please help me. And send it to your teacher. So whenever you click send, it has been sent to your teacher. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to do your activity, and you have to submit your answers to your teachers. Okay. This symbol over here in front of Surya Namaskar is your assignment symbol. This symbol is your questionnaire symbol. Okay. If you have any difficulty understanding this, please ping me on WhatsApp and I'll answer you there. Thank you.